Hello, lovely YouTube family, and welcome to another highly informative video. And in today's video, we have a special guest in our midst, and she'll be sharing with us a few of the best ways to make money online based on her own personal experience. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome in today's video. Blessing.
Charity is blessing. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the best ways to make money online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle to earn extra cash or you're looking for a full-time online business, this video is for you. There's always something for everyone. So if you're interested to turn your free time into money, keep watching. So my list is freelancing. Freelancing involves services like writing, graphic designs, social media management. So why choose freelancing? You set up your rate, choose the project you want to work on, and you can do it all from home. Second on my list is dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model where you sell products to a customer without any stock. When a customer orders from your online store, you purchase the products from a third-party supplier who then ship the products directly to your customer. Another best side hustle I love most is affiliate marketing. What does this involve? It simply involves promoting a product and earning a commission for each sales made through a unique affiliate link. We also have online tutoring, teaching a subject you are knowledgeable about, whether it is academic, maths, sciences, languages, or skills like music. Last on my list is offering conversation services to board and loan foreigners. What does this involve? It simply involves you talking to board and loan foreigners, you keeping them company. You don't need anything, you don't need to refer anyone. All you need is your phone, your time, and your data. You pay $25 to $30. So if you're interested in any of these side hustles I just mentioned, click on my link to join.
So yeah, guys, if you're very much interested in our course material based on how to make money as much as $20 to $35 from just talking to people online, just vibing with people online, then why not? Feel free to check down below in the description our course material on how to go about this. I want to believe you all learned one or two things, or in fact many things from today's video. If you surely did and you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and also feel free to share this video with your friends and family members. And also you can check down below the link to our social media page so as to follow her if you're interested in our topics. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in my next highly informative video.